Today we are going to learn one-click installation of Postbase on your local machine or on your VPS, and how you can start building your app with the help of Postbase. So let's get started. First thing first, go to getpostbase.com. Then you can just click on get started for free. You will land on the GitHub repository here. Here you can scroll down and simply click on deploy on Railway. That will take you to the Postbase template which we have created. You can click on deploy now and it will show you the ready to be deployed configuration. If you want, you can click on configure and update the pre-configure environment variables here, but if you want to keep it like that, it's fine. And then just click on deploy. This will start deploying Postgres database as well as the application on top of it, so that you have it up and running in few seconds. Okay, so after a while the deployment is finished, so you can click on it and you will see a random dynamic domain is assigned to your Postbase instance. So if you click on it, you will land on the Postbase instance here. You can click on open dashboard. Here it will ask you to create a user. So let's say admin at postbase.com, postbase, create an account, and then it will ask you to log in. And then once you're logged in, you land into your dashboard where you can create new organizations. So let's say ECME C. And then you can create as many projects as you want. Let's say my first project. Once the project is created, you can log into your dashboard. You have the auth providers, configuration for each auth providers, email settings, templates. You have users, you have database, you have SQL editor, storage, integration, API keys, etc. We'll keep you posted with further improvement. Thank you.